I just came across an airdrop opportunity that I would love to share with you right now in this video today, because this is about to be launched in the coming weeks and I want you to partake in this opportunity so you too you can have some token to yourself that you can exchange for money once this platform is launched. And right now in this video I will explain to you the very step-by-step process on how to claim your airdrop, the step-by-step to earn more, and how you can get to do better for yourself with this particular airdrop that is about to launch. Right now, this is not a financial advice, this is not get rich quick business, and I'm not an expert in all of these things. It's just my basic idea, and this video is for educational purpose alone. Right, I will advise you make your personal research about everything before you take an action that is very intensive. Right now, I want you to pay close attention right now, so I walk you through all of this process right here with your smartphone so you can get to do this and you can claim your first airdrop on this particular platform. Now, once you register on this particular platform, upon your registration you are going to get some token that's going to accumulate to almost 750 USD, which I'm going to show you in a sec. And this is not get rich quick business, like I said, and this video is for educational purpose alone, and I said you should make your personal research before any other action that you might want to take about everything I will say in this video today. Right now, coming over to the platform, you can see this is Verv chain and they have a token called Verv, which I'm going to show you how you are going to claim your own portion, how you're going to earn more, and you can get to exchange on any crypto exchanger once they launch it to the general public. Right, so you can see this is the official website right here, where they say they have over 9.4 million users and all of those things. So to get started, you are going to click on right here, you are going to see link to wallet. Right, so once you click on link to wallet, you are going to have this option where you are going to download maybe to your iOS or your Google Play. But for quick action, you can basically click the first thing in the shop of this video so you can get to download the app straight to your phone. Right, so once you download the app, this is what the app look like. You can see KWTCN, and once you click on this is only by referral that you can get on board, because they don't want it to be for the general public yet. So it's for those that have profile with them that can invite others, and that's why I'm sharing this with you, so you too you can go over there, claim your own portion, and you can refer anybody that you want to refer, which I will show you every of these details step by step right now. So I just want you to take quick action right now, claim your own spot, gather your own airdrop, and once it's launched you can do so much for yourself. Right, and they have another any opportunity on there which I'm going to walk you through every of this. Right, so just pay close attention to this video right now. I'm just going to click on allow right there, allow, and once I'm in right now, as you can see, it's going to load up for me, where I'm going to click on create my wallet because you don't have. So it's going to ask you for your invitation code, and now you are going to use this code showing up right here, which is 6 WA right F3G. right, so now once you click on that, you are going to click on create wallet. You can see it succeed, and you are going to click on create an account, but you confirm their terms of policy, which I will advise you to read before you confirm that. Then click on create wallet, and once that is done, you put in a password that you can always remember. So for me, I'm just going to put something randomly right there. Right, so once you click on continue, they are going to show you your backup code, which you can see right there. Then you can click on continue right there and you are good to go. Right, so I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm going to click on manual backup. Then I won't back up for now, but we advise you back up for now so you can get to copy everything and keep your account safe. And once you log into your account, you are going to see your dashboard with 750 US dollar worth of Verv. Right, you can see it right there. This is your onboarding registration token. Right, you can see this right there. Now let's go over to the opportunities and how you can earn on this platform. Right, so if I come over right here where I have the detailed breakdown, now we have 3 different ways that you can earn right here. This is the airdrop section, and you can see on registration you can get to exchange your Verv, which they tend to give 5,000 Verv to every user at first, but because we are late, even me, I'm late on this opportunity, that's why I get 750, and that's about 750 USD, which is 2,500 Verv. Right now, once I refer you now, I mean once you join through my link, I'm going to get 400, which I think is going to be 200 in my own case now, because we are all late, and that's 8% of the amount that you are going to be giving, which is your own 2,500 token. And once you refer another person, I still get a commission, which is called level 2 referral. I will get 7%, and that person that you refer, once they refer another person to claim their own spot about this token, I still get to earn 5%, right? You see, this opportunity is endless because once I earn from you, you earn from another person, and once those people are referring themselves, you still keep earning your own commission basically. So they give this example: once I invite you now, you invite another person, so we keep earning down the team and we are accumulating our airdrop, right? So how do you get your invitation code? You will come over to the app right here and you click on invite right here. Once you click on invite, you are going to see your code, which you are going to see under your QR code. So once you see it under your QR code, you are good to go. You can share this, which I'm going to show you in a second on where to share it and how to get people that will be interested in claiming an airdrop like this, right? So once that is done, the next thing that you can do to earn on this particular platform is use staking, right? They have the staking option, and like I said, this video is for educational purpose alone. Make sure you make your own research before any action, right? Now you can see the staking record right there. If you stake between $10 to $499, you earn 6%. And how do you stake? Which you have all of this record right here. If you stake up to $50,000, you are going to be earning 12%, right? You see the levels where they have your level 1, those are the people that you refer, and level 2 is those that you refer, they are referrals, and that's how it grows down the funnel, right? So let's go over and let me show you how to stake. So if you come over right here to VVS, right, you can see how you can join. If you want to join with USDT or ETH, assuming you want to join with USDT, you click on join right there, and you can see minimum, which is $10, and you can click on max, or probably you have to deposit to your account. To deposit, you are going to come over to your account right there, then click on USDT. Once you click on USDT, then you click on receive. There you have your address right here, which you are going to be send money to. You can see USDT Ethereum, and that's how you are going to get fund round down here to come over right here. Then you can stake your portion of whatever thing that you want to do. Right now, the third way that you can use to earn is becoming a node partner, right? So their node partner reward is as showed right there, which I'm going to show you, which you are seeing on my screen. The requirement is 15 VVS member. You must refer 15 people that have an ongoing stake with them, so you can get to earn 1% of their reward. And that's how it goes through the funnel till the last page, where you can get to refer up to 1,000 stakers, so you can earn 13% commission. Right now, all you need to do right now is to click the first link in the description of this video to download this app, then use the code that is showing right now to claim your own spot. Then you can get over to refer your friends and every other person to claim their own spot. So once this is launched, you can get to exchange it for money. It's just an airdrop, and it's just an opportunity for you to earn more in the online space. And if you want to get more people to refer, to be interested in this particular offer, it's basically something you can do to join Facebook groups about crypto, Telegram channel, or Twitter, where you can send this opportunity to, and they can get to download it, sign up with your code, and you can get to do more with your airdrop. And it's a big opportunity for you once this token is launched, so you can get to exchange it for money and you can get to do better for yourself, right? So that's all I have for you. It's just an opportunity that I came across, and I said I should come and share with you right now, so we all can benefit from this together and we can get to scale in the online space, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friend that you want to refer or you want to partake in this opportunity with, and make sure you subscribe to this channel while I see you in the next video. Till then, guys, be at peace.